The weather in Southwest Florida might be cold right now, but the real estate market is heating up. It might be a brisk 45 degrees right now, but in 24 hours when it's 120 degrees, you have this beautiful outdoor area, great lanai space, half bathroom. This house is on 2 lots, just minutes from the private boat ramp and park here in Gulf Cove, and you're just 30 minutes from Boca Grande Beach and Englewood Beach. We have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage, over 2,200 square feet, and a beautiful open floor plan. When you're ready to join us in paradise, give me a call.